Here's what you should do if the Reinstall Now option is grayed out when using Windows Update to fix issues. First up, check if Windows is downloading a major update. This is actually the most common reason why the Reinstall Now option appears grayed out. When I first ran into this problem, it turned out my PC was already downloading the Windows 11.25 H2 update in the background. And here's the catch. If you've clicked the Reinstall Now button a few times, Windows might have already started downloading a repair version silently. In both cases, the button stays grayed out until that download finishes, so before you try anything else, open Windows Update and check if an update is already in progress. If you see one downloading or installing, let it complete first, and the Reinstall Now button should become clickable again once it's done. Next, let's check whether the Reinstall Now option or other update settings are being managed by an organization. This can sometimes happen even on personal PCs that aren't linked to any company or domain. To verify that, press Windows plus S keys, type Registry Editor, and click the top result. Then select Yes in the UAC prompt. Now paste this path in the address bar and hit Enter. You can also navigate to it manually using the left pane. Once you're there, look for these two entries: Defer Feature Updates, period in days, provider set, and Defer Quality Updates period in days provider set. If you find them, double-click each one individually, change the value data to 0, and click OK to save the changes. Some forums suggest deleting these entries altogether, and that works too, but I recommend simply disabling them. That way, if anything goes wrong, you can easily re-enable the entries later without rebuilding them manually. The next step is to repair any corrupted system files. First, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Now, you'll need to run the commands for the DISM tool and SFC scan. These will scan your system for corrupted files and automatically repair and replace them. All 4 commands are listed in the video description, so you can copy them directly from there. Once you've run them all, restart your PC. The Fix Problems using Windows Update feature basically performs the same repair process as an in-place upgrade. So if that Reinstall Now option is grayed out on your PC, don't worry, you can simply go ahead with the in-place upgrade instead. It'll not only reinstall Windows while keeping your files and apps intact, but might also fix whatever caused the grayed out option in the first place. We already have a dedicated video on how to perform an in-place upgrade. It should appear near the top right corner. If you don't see the tutorial, click the eye icon. First, try performing a factory reset. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, go to System, then select Recovery from the right, and click Reset PC. Choose Keep My Files, and when asked how Windows should be reinstalled, select Cloud Download. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset. If this doesn't work for some reason, go with a tool like Rufus to create a bootable Windows USB drive and use it to reinstall Windows on your PC. If something else worked for you, or if you know more solutions for this issue, don't forget to share them in the comments. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.